Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Resident Evil 4. It's been a minute since I last played. Kind of took a 2 week hiatus from playing. But still got some audios out for you.
Hey, got a smoke?
I do. The kind you like. Now where's the amber?
Fortunately, it's not on me at the moment. And you really should be telling me what a good job I did. Busted my ass and managed to hide it right before I got caught. Which is why I'm still alive.
The deal was, we get you out of here when you deliver.
I do
the
plan on
amber.
doing
No amber, no
separate ways.
protection, Luis.
Such a stickler for details, Ida. Okay then. I'll go get it now, how about that? And I do have something else in it.
Alright.
This is Roost. I've got some bad news, Condor One. With the weather like this, the chopper can't make its approach. Can you stand by until it clears?
Negative. Too dangerous. We're gonna get out of here and find someplace safe.
I'm sorry. I wish I could do more to help.
Don't worry about it. We'll swim home if we have to. Condor 1, out. Let's go.
What's gonna
Yeah.
happen to me?
Right now. Let's just focus on getting out of here.
We got to GTFO. Hold up. Wait a minute. Red barrel. What I get? Submachine gun ammo. I can sell it. Resources. I can make stuff. Rifle ammo. I can sell it. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, editing these has still been a little bit more of a struggle than I thought they would.
Something I think you like.
Absolutely hate bright lights, that's why you won't see them out during the day. So if you ever go for a walk during the night, it'd be wise to keep some flash grenades handy. Hell, I keep a couple on me at all times. You can make some yourself using the recipe I'm selling if you're interested. No, I didn't read it in his voice. Okay. First all, sure. Do that. I don't really need handgun ammo at this point. I need shotgun ammo.
Welcome.
Prepare you.
Well then, what can I do you for? Easy work.
Yeah, I know, shut up.
Your valuables won't do you much good in the grave.
I love this game, man. So good. Completely forgot to just go ahead and sell that junk. I'm sure you will, bud.
I'll buy almost anything.
Sell that. No.
Anything else I can help you with?
I
Don't get
love the
yourself
auto sort
killed.
feature that they put in this game. Like, yeah, it's kind of cheating for getting like inventory management, but if I were to do a playthrough on the original, you'd be seeing me spend like an additional 20 to 25 minutes on average.
We've got company. Keep moving, but quietly. Got it?
Okay. I'll try.
Oh, if I had my shotgun. What do we get? What do we get? Yellow diamond. Hell yeah.
Spread out.
Got it.
I said.
Come
Shut
on.
up.
No prob.
Whoa.
We're doing this.
Coming from right there. No. Sometimes it's just worth stopping to grab stuff. Shotgun ammo. 3 shells, but it was worth it. Alright, boys, who's next? So, in the OG, you had a choice going into the fight with Mendez. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get explodified. Okay. Plenty of flash grenades. Still gotta make another one. Chalice of Atonement. You could choose between either fighting an El Gigante, or more like running from, because that house fight just sucks the ammo out of you. Or you'd be fighting Chainsaw Sisters. If you were skilled enough, or if you played the game enough where you just didn't care. Sometimes you just run and do both. Damn it, Leon.
Sure is quiet.
It's not going to be quiet when I'm through with them. Don't see me, 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 don't see me. Now, stealth in this isn't required. It's kind of challenging myself.
Podéis correr, pero no.
Podéis correr,
Shush.
pero no os podéis esconder. Ahí están.
Do I really need it? No. Am I gonna take it? Yeah. It's just kind of hardwired in my head at this point just to pick up handgun ammo. I can do... Guarantee you as soon... I'm gonna hold on to that. Because as soon as I find a red herb and... Crud. Technically, I could just sell these. Was that a waste of a health item? Maybe. Do I currently give a shit? Not really. I might give a shit later. Another green herb. So I'll just kind of do that. That way if I find a red herb... Did I stutter?
Hide.
What? Okay.
Hide. What? Alright, there's a health item. There's the lever we need. The first time I played this, I had no ammo. I was like, oh, Chainsaw Sisters. Hi.
Sorry, didn't realize that was yours. I am flattered. But I'm a one-lady type of guy.
Ooh.
Sorry, you're not.
No, no. Ah. Well. We're not going to talk about that. Oh. She hidden? Yeah. Alright, we're going to do that again. That was the first time I died. Just eat it.
I am flattered.
I should have done that to begin with, but... It's raining men. Oh, Lord.
You're serious.
Hold that. Ugh.
bitch.
Punk.
Hey, wait, Leon!
Okay. Skirt? Forgot, there's a treasure. Right here. I hear you. Ow, ankles.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay. I guess.
You did well back there. Seems this isn't your first time running from creeps.
I can't tell if that's meant to be funny.
Leon's trying. Alright. Everything loaded. We just kind of got a boogie. Handgun ammo, gunpowder. Can I make anything? No. Got the flash grenade back. What can I get rid of? I can get rid of you. Okay. Gunpowder? Plenty of gunpowder, not enough resources. It's always nice seeing a bunch of, this is gonna suck.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stab. He just gave me like the Kratos look of, boy. Bro hits like a truck.
Leon!
You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. If I just saw a home dude just straight up bend steel like that,
Come, child.
I'd be running too.
Run! Hurry!
Run! Bye.
Don't worry about that.
Ow! Hi, Dios mío. shit.
This way. Okay.
I'm stuck.
We need to go.
Oh, shit. Run.
You gotta be kidding.
I'm good.
Then run. Closer.
Fuck you, bro. Leave me alone. Go away. Oh, we're fighting him next.
Listen, you're the one he wants. If we see him again, you run.
What about you?
I'll do my job.
No pasar. No trespassing. Money.
Why not? Welcome. Well then, what can I do?
Bunk you, bunk you.
Good luck to you, stranger. Your valuables won't do you much
Yeah, I
good
think
in the
that'll do.
grave.
I don't need anything else.
Thank
Yep.
you. Anything else I can help you with, come back anytime.
I don't need anything. Alright. It's time for pain. Oh, hey, look.
Be careful.
Ow. Run.
Cease your pointless
No thanks.
struggling. Abandon your body to the will of our God.
You're a shooting missionary. You know that.
Oh, Almighty.
You already got the strength to crush enemies. You just bent steel not
Your enemy.
2 minutes ago.
Son of a bitch. Ashley, run!
Okay.
Hasta luego.
God, I thank you for your gift.
So, I want to grab some
I
stuff.
want to get ugly. Let's get ugly. Should have known you were one of the bugs.
Bye. Oh! Fuck you. Woo! Miss me. Oh! I had to open my big fat mouth. No. Leave me alone. Okay. Why you gotta go all Scorpion King on me, man? Why you gotta do this? I'm done playing with you. I'm gonna take my toys and go home. Yeah, you failed. Ooh. Just kind of plopped and went boom.
Leon!
That was dangerous.
Leon! Quick! This place is coming down!
Okay.
Give my
Combat
regards
roll.
to your God.
Leon, hurry! You're welcome.
Thanks. This fire's bound to catch their attention. Let's keep moving.
Leon, I'm not gonna turn into one of them, right?
Alright, it's time to roll.
Promise.
Now, in the OG, you're like running away from like a huge mob, and they just send a truck like that just flying down. And it's amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna use one of you. Now we've made it to the castle. This takes up a majority of the game, really. Moving into Act 2. And when I tell you that Act 2... My god. I love it and I hate it at the same time. Like, there's decent puzzles, there's, like,
to worry about being followed.
now new, like, enemy variety. But it's still a pain. I think that was done in about 40 minutes. Go ahead and save. Chapter results. Died once. And, oh, I actually did the playtime in like 22 minutes. That's pretty good. It's pretty good, pretty good. Alright. We're just going to keep rocking and rolling. I want to try to get this done.
Hola, Luis here. You guys still around?
Boy, I wanted to go home, but Ashley just had to see this castle first.
Perfect, because I have a present I want to give you. Medicine that will help to suppress the progress of your problem.
Where do we go?